just made it here to the train station, guys. This is called Lempuyangan train station, and basically this is for like close distance train, and also this is the economic class train. Today I'm going to Solo, guys, and I'm gonna meet up with my friend Marlene and Lita. So first, let's get the ticket, guys. This train station is very nice, guys. So you can see we can reservation our ticket here, self-service, and also here. Wow! And this is just the economy train station, you know. We can also charge our phone right there, and also right there. And there's also cafe. Okay, so now I'm having lunch here at a local cafe, guys, and wow. Check out the food, guys. Wow, guys, now the train station is empty. Am I like the only one here who wants to go to Solo? I don't know, but you see. Okay. Okay, guys, so our train is coming, so we have to get ready right here. For this train, we don't have like seat number, so yeah, you can just stand up, or if you're lucky, you can get a seat, guys. So if you see like empty seat, you have to take that one, so just sit down. This is it, guys. This is our train here. Hopefully we can get seat, guys. This is the last door. Okay, now we are looking for a chair. Hopefully I can get one. Okay, at the very end, guys. I'm the only one who's sitting down here, guys. You see. So I can strengthen my leg here. On another seat, there's full of people. I made it here to Purwosari train station, and I never been on this train station before, guys. So you see. So we stopped here, and now we're walking out there. I'm not sure. I ordered Gojek already, guys. So I'm just gonna waiting for my Gojek. And wow, you see the traffic here in Solo, guys. They also have like city bus here, and also becak. It's just like the same like in Jogja, guys. But I don't know about this place yet, so I just choose Gojek. Gojek is like Grab or Uber, call it, but yeah, they have like motorcycle and also car. Yeah. So this is my Gojek driver, guys. Yeah.
Itu jarang-jarang mana? Pakai masker?
So I just made it to our hotel here. I'm not sure if this is correct or not, but hopefully. Kasih. So, wow. If it's this one, guys, wow, it's so nice. So I just gonna text my friend now. This is my friend. They just made it here. So I asked here. So before I tried to get inside and I asked about our place, But the lady there, she like don't know what I'm talking about, and she speaking with me in English. But actually, I speak it with her in Bahasa Indonesia. I don't know. So yeah, now we are going to our room, and wow, guys, this hotel is so fancy. Even they are confused about our room, guys. So they also have like executive club and swimming pool, fitness center. Wow. So basically, there's a lot of building in this hotel, guys. So now we are like in another part. I'm confused. This hotel is so big. So this is Dita. She's from Solo.
Hi.
So we came here for her. And this is Marlene. Where from? Nggak jelas. This is our room, guys. Yo, this is my style. Where's the lamp? Mana lampu? This room is so dark, okay? So this is my style from Jogja. Yeah, so this is 2 bed. And this is the view. Yeah, it is dark for now, guys, so I will make video tomorrow show you about this hotel, guys. And actually it's very nice fancy hotel, but I didn't pay for this. She's the one who paid for us. So I will see you guys in the next vlog, and yeah, bye.